Hi students, welcome back to online classes. So in the previous class we are completed that multiples and submultiple angles. Today we are going to discuss the objective class for transformations. So what is the meaning of the transformation is? The transformation is nothing but the addition and subtraction of the trigonometric functions we will convert into the product of the trigonometric functions, and the product of the trigonometric functions we will convert into the addition or a subtraction of the trigonometric functions. So here it is a very helpful formulas I am going to give that. So what is the formulas? Already you know that. So what is the formulas are? See that one, students. Sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, that is equal to 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. So the addition we are converted into the product. Okay, 2 sin a cos b is nothing but sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Similarly, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So sin of a minus b, that is equal to 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a sin b. And also cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, so that is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, that is equal to 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b. And also cos of a minus b, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to minus 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b. And or this formula you can written in this model also. What is that? Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So that is equal to 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b. Okay, and also see this one, students. Sin c plus sin d is equal to sin c plus sin d is equal to, so sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Next, sin c minus sin d is equal to sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 into cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2, sin of c minus d by 2, and cos c plus cos d is equal to cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 into cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, 2 into cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. And also see this, cos c minus cos d, cos c minus cos d is nothing but minus 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2 into sin of c minus. So see, students, see the next formulas. So what is that formulas are? Sin alpha plus sin of alpha plus beta plus sin of alpha plus 2 beta plus and so on, plus up to n terms, So what is the sum of these terms is nothing but, so sum of these terms is, so that is equal to sine of n beta, n by 2 into beta by sine beta by 2 into sine of alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 into beta. So see that formula, students. Sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha plus 2 beta plus and so on up to n terms. What is the formula is sine nb by 2, n beta by 2 by n beta by 2 into sine of alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 into beta. So similarly for cos also, what is the cos? So you can take this formula, that is also in the same formula, cos alpha plus cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of alpha plus 2 beta plus and so on up to n terms, so that is equal to cos of n beta by 2 by cos beta by 2 into cos of alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 into beta, n by 2 into beta. So see, these are two formulas. We will use these formulas in the problems. Okay. So see that question, students. And also, so we are already proved this. If alpha comma beta are the roots of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c is equal to 0, then already you know the formulas. What is that? Tan of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to tan of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to, so that is nothing but b by a. We are already proved this one in the previous multiples and submultiples. We have proved that. Okay. So and also tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 2ab by a square minus b square, and sine of alpha plus beta is equal to 2ab by a square plus b square, and cos of alpha plus beta is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square, We are already proved this in the previous chapter. Okay. So that is alpha comma beta are the roots. So then a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c is equal to 0. Then you will get these values. Okay. So see these formula, students. Okay. So see, students, start the level 1. So what is the level 1 is? So level 1. So see the first question. What is the first question, students? So see the first one. Sin A plus sin 3A plus sin 5A plus sin 7a, that is equal to. So this is the value they are asking. For this type of questions we have to verify the answers. Okay. So compulsory you need the options also. Okay. So see that one, what I will take the options also. So what is the options is? The options are nothing but here. So that is the, what is the first option is? The first option is 4 sin A cos 2a and cos of 4a, and see the second option. What is that? 4 sin A cos 2a and cos 2a, and see the third one is 4 cos A sin Sin 2a, sin 4a, sin 4a. So see the fourth option. What is the fourth option is given? 4 cos a, 4 cos a, cos 2a, sin 4a, sin 4a. So these are the 4 options are given that. So this question they are asking what is the options are equal. So this type of questions we will verify the options. Okay. So what I will do that one here. First I will take that here in the solution. What I will take that. I am taking that put a is equal to some angle. So if you are taken the 0, so it is not a possible here, you have to select that it is a, so that's why, so why, because the sin 0 is 0, it will become that 0 values here, so that's why we can't take the 0 value, so that's why what I am taking that a is equal to 30 degrees. So what happens? So this value, so that is nothing but a sin, so sin a plus sin 3a plus sin 5a plus sin 7a. So what happens, students? If a is equal to 30 degrees, if you can substitute that values here, it will become that sin 30 degrees plus sin 90 degrees plus sin 150 degrees plus sin 210 degrees, sin 210 degrees. So what is the sin 30? Sin 30 is nothing but a 1 by 2 plus sin 90 is 1 plus sin 150. What is the 150 value? 180 minus 30. Yes or no? Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So it will become sin 30. Sin 30 value is a 1 by 2. So what is the 210? 210 is nothing but 180 plus 30. Yes or no? Sin 180 plus theta is minus sin theta. So it will become minus sin 30. So minus sin 30 value is minus 1 by 2. I understand that. So you have to return that directly. I understand that. So what is the terms you will cancel? 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 will be cancelled. 1 plus 1 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. So if you take a is equal to 30, so this value it will become 3 by 2. So what we have to verify? By verification. By verification, I am going to verify the answer. Okay. So what is that? I will substitute this a in these options. So what is the answer? You will get the 3 by 2. That is, I will take the answer. Okay. So see this one here, students. What I will do that? 4 into. So sin 30, what is the sin 30? Is the sin 30 value is nothing but 1 by 2 into cos 2a. 2a is nothing but cos 60. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Cos 4a, what is the cos 4a? 4 into 30 is a 120. Cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2. It is a minus 1 by 2. So 2, 2 and 4 will be cancelled, students. It will become minus 1 by 2. So it is not the option. So see the next one, this value. So that is the 4 into sin a, that is nothing but the sin 30. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 and cos 2a, already we did that. That is the cos 2a value is 1 by 2. Cos 2a, that is also 1 by 2. So that is nothing but 4, 2, 2 will be cancelled. So this is a 1 by 2, but the answer is a 3 by 2. So this is not the option. So take the fourth one. What is this? This is equal to 4 into cos a, cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Sin 4 into 3, that is a 120. Sin 120 is nothing but 180 minus 60. So sin 60 value is a root 3 by 2. So that value is also root 3 by 2. So what happens, students? 4, 2, 2 will be cancelled. So root 3 into root 3, it will become 3 into root 3. So that is nothing but 3 root 3 by 2. So but it is not the option. So verify that, how to verify the answers. Okay. So see the last one. So what is this? 4 into 4 into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2. Cos 120 sine, not the cos is that. So see this one, students. So this is the sine 120. Sine 120 value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So what is the terms will be cancelled? 4, 2 will be cancelled here. So root 3 into root 3 is a 3. So it will become 3 by 2. So this is the 3 by 2 is the answer. So this is the answer. So what is the answer, students? Answer is nothing but option 4 is the answer. Or understand that how to verify the answer. So first you have to take some angle and substitute that angle in the given problem. You will get some value. That angle you can substitute in the given 4 options. Okay. So that option, what is the answer is there, you will get the same value. Then you can pick the answer from these 4. Okay. So see that question, students. See the second question, question number 2. So what is the question number 2? So see that question, students. So 2 into 1 minus 2 sine square theta into cos 4 theta is equal to. So this is the question they are asking. Okay. So 2 into 1 minus 2 sine square theta into cos 4 theta is. So already you know that what is the cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, yes or no? So 1 minus 2 sine square theta you can written as a cos 2 theta. So it will become that 2 into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. So you have to take this one is the front. So you can written cos 4 theta into cos 2 theta. Why? Because the 4 is the big one. So that's why I am written in the favor of that. 2 cos 4 theta into cos 2 theta. So what is the formula, students? Already know that formula. 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B is nothing but cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So apply the formula equal to cos of A plus B. A plus B is nothing but 6 theta plus cos of A minus B, that is nothing but 4 theta minus 2 theta. It will become cos 2 theta. So check the answer, students. So option 3 is the answer. Okay. So see the question number 3. So what is the question number 3? So see that question, students. Cos 48 degrees into cos 12 degrees. Cos 48 degrees into cos 12 degrees. Two trigonometric functions are given. We don't know the values, that is the angles of that. So then what we have to do that one? You have to multiply and divide with 2. So what I will do that one here? I will take that 1 by 2 into 2 cos 48 degrees into cos 12 degrees. So that is nothing but I am already given the formula. So what is the formula, students? 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So what we can take it as, that is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B, that is nothing but 48 plus 12 plus cos of 48 minus 12. So what happens, students? That is nothing but 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees plus cos 36 degrees. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 60. What is the cos 60, students? That is the 1 by 2 plus cos 36 value. Cos 36 value is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 4. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. So these are values, you have to remember that. Okay. So you can take the 4 LCM here. So 1 by 2 into, if you can take the 4 LCM, so what already 2 is there. So we can take it as, we can multiply the 2 with the numerator. So 2 plus root 5 plus 1. So it will become that 1 by 2 into root 5 plus 3 by 4. Root 5 plus 3 by 4. So that is nothing but root 5 plus 3 by 8. Root 5 plus 3 by 8. Okay. So see that question, students. See the next question, question number 4. So what is the question number 4? So see that question, students. Cos 66 degrees plus sin 84 degrees. Sin 84 degrees. So two terms are there. Two trigonometric functions are there. One trigonometric function cos and another is in sin. So there is no formula to apply. Why? Because sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d. Cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. You have two trigonometric functions are same, then you can apply these formulas. Okay. So that's why I will change one trigonometric function into the another. Okay. So how can you change that one? So that is nothing but cos 66 degrees. This sin theta you can written as cos 90 minus theta. Yes or no? Cos 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 84 meaning is 6 degrees. So we can take it as cos 6 degrees. Cos 6 degrees. So what is this formula, students? Cos c plus cos d formula. What is the cos c plus cos d formula? 2 into cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So what happens? 2 into, that is nothing but 72 by 2 is nothing but the 36. Cos 36 into cos 60 by 2 is nothing but 30 degrees. So that is equal to 2 into cos 36 value, already know that, root 5 plus 1 by 4 into cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So this 2 and the 2 will be cancelled, students. So it will become that. So take this root 3 to inside. Take this root 3 to inside. What happens? So that is nothing but root 5 into root 3. So that is nothing but the root 15 plus 1 into root 3. That is nothing but a root 3 by 4. Okay. So see that question, students. So that is the option number 3 is the answer. Okay. So see the next question, question number 5. So what is the question number 5? So see that question, students. 4 sin 420 degrees minus alpha into cos 60 degrees plus alpha. So this is the value they are asking. Okay. So and also I have verified this in the verification model. I will verify the options also. Okay. So I will take the options also. What is the options are here? So what is the first option is root 3 minus 2 sin 2 alpha, and what is the second option is? The second option is root 3 plus 2 sin 2 alpha, and the third option is root 3 minus 2 cos 2 alpha, and the fourth option is root 3 plus 2 cos 2 alpha. So I will verify these options here, students. So how to verify this? I will take this one here. So that is put. So what I will take that one here, alpha value. So alpha is equal to 60. 420 minus 60, it will become that 360. Already you know that sin 360 value. And also here alpha is 60 plus 60, it will become 120. So already know that cos 120 value also. So by our convenience, what I will take that one here, put alpha is equal to 60 degrees. So then what happens here, it will become that 4 sin 420 minus alpha into cos 60 plus 60. So alpha value is nothing but 60 degrees. So what happens, students? 4 into sin 360 degrees into cos cos 120 degrees. So that is equal to 4 into, so sin 360 multiples of pi, it will become 0 into cos 120. Cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So the answer is 0. So you have to substitute this alpha value in these 4 options. You have to get a 0. So that is the required answer. Okay. So by verification, we will take alpha is equal to 60 degrees. We will take alpha is equal to 60 degrees. So what we will do, students? Root 3 minus 2 into sine alpha is 60. Alpha is 60. 2 alpha will become 120. Sine 120 value is root 3 by 2. So what happens, students? 2 will be cancelled. It will become that root 3 minus root 3. So it will become 0. Sir, it is the answer. So you have to verify the remaining also. Sometimes, and another option also, they will satisfy the given condition. Are understanding that in that time you have to change the angle. If 2 options are satisfies that, it will become 0. You have to change the angle and you have to calculate once again that value, and you have to verify only the 2 options. For example, 1 and 2 you are getting 0. For alpha is equal to 60. Sir, what we have to do that? So change that alpha value. Change this alpha value. Are understanding that? So change the alpha value and substitute that value, and in this one you will get some angle. Then you have to verify only these 2 options only. Remaining 2 values you do not verify that condition. You have to verify only for one option and a second option only. So why? Because these 2 options are getting the same angles for alpha is equal to 60. Okay. So here we will check that one. It is any getting or otherwise we will remain the same. Okay. So see this one. I will substitute in the second one also. What is that? Root 3 plus 2 into sine alpha is a 60. Sine 120 value is a root 3 by 2. Sine 120 value is root 3 by 2. So here 2 will be cancelled. It will become that root 3 plus root 3. It will become 2 root 3. It will become 2 root 3. So it is not the option. So check the third one also. So don't leave any one. So you have to verify compulsory in the verification model. You have to verify 4 options compulsory. So next, root 3 minus 2 into cos 120. Cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. It will become that root 3 plus 1. So it is not the option. Next, go for this one. So that is equal to root 3 plus 2 into cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2. If you can cancel this, it will become that root 3 minus 1. So it is not the option. So what is the answer, students? Answer, therefore, option 1 is the answer. Option 1 is the answer. Are you understand that? How to verify the answers? So see that question, students. The question number 6. So what is the question number 6? So cos square 33 degrees minus cos square 57 degrees by sine 21 degrees minus cos 21 degrees. So see this question, students, how to solve this one. So first you have to understand these 2 formulas. So sine square A, sine of A plus B, that is a sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. Sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B formula is sine square A minus sine square B. What is the sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B formula? Sine square A minus sine square B. Sine square A minus sine square B. And also, if we can change this is sine square A in terms of cos. 1 minus cos square A. This is a 1 minus cos square B. What happens? It will become that cos square B minus cos square A, cos square B minus cos square A. Cos square B minus cos square A value is sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So it is in the form of cos square B minus cos square A. So that's why I am written this formula. Okay. So and also this is the formula, already know that. What is the formula? I am going to use that. Cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D formula is minus 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Sin of C minus D by 2. These two formulas I am going to use for this question. Okay. So see this one here, students. So cos square A, cos square B minus cos square A. So that is nothing but a sin of A plus B. A plus B. So 57 plus 33. So that is nothing but the sine 90 degrees into sin of A minus B. 57 minus 33. 57 minus 33. So that is nothing but the 24. So that is nothing but the sine 24 degrees by sine 24 degrees. So by this value, if you want to apply the transformation formula, so both the terms are in cos or both the terms are in a sine. So I will change this sine in terms of cos. I am already told that one how to change that sine into cos. Sin theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta. So we can change this sin 21 in terms of cos 90 minus 21, 90 minus 90 minus 21. So that is nothing but 69. So that is nothing but the 69 degrees into this value. That is nothing but 69 minus, okay, that is nothing but the cos 21. So this value I am changing it as a cos 69 minus cos 21. So see this one here, sin 90 is a 1. So it will become that sin 24 by cos C minus cos D. What is the cos C minus cos D formula, students? Minus 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 sin of C minus D by 2. So verify that. Minus 2 into sin of C plus D. 69 plus 21 is the 90. So it will become the 90 degrees into 90 by 2. Actually 90 by 2 is nothing but a 45 degrees into sin 69 minus 21. 69 minus 21. So that is nothing but a 48. 48 by 2 is nothing but 24 degrees. So that is nothing but minus 2 into sin of C plus D by 2. 69 plus 21 is a 90. 90 by 2 is a 45 degrees. Into sin of C minus D by 2. C minus D is a 48. 48 by 2 is a 24 degrees. Are you understand that? So sin 24 and sin 24 will be cancelled. So this value will become that 1 by minus 2 into sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. So here 2 by root 2 is nothing but a root 2. So it will become that minus 1 by root 2. Why? Because if you can cancel this value here, it will cancel for root 2 times. It will become that minus 1 by root 2. Are you understand, students? So first cos square A, cos square B minus cos square A, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So in the denominator, sin term I will change it to cos 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 21 is 69 minus cos 21. Cos C minus cos D formula, minus 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. So 24 will be cancelled. Sin 45 is a 1 by root 2 and cancel this value, students. You will get a minus 1 by root 2. Okay. So see that question, students. See the question number 7. So what is the question number 7 is? So if A plus B plus C is equal to 270 degrees, then what is the question they are asking? Cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C plus 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. 4 sin A, sin B sin C. So this value they are asked. Okay. So see the students, this type of questions. A plus B plus C is at 270. Three angles are there. Yes or no? If I will take that A is equal to B is equal to C. A is equal to B is equal to C, meaning is it will become 3A is equal to 270. So A will become 90 degrees. A will become 90 degrees. So A plus B plus C is a 270. So I will take that. What is that angle, students? A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 90 degrees. All are same. Each angle is a 90 degrees. See that one? What is the condition? It will satisfy every angle. The sum of the angles is 270 degrees. I am taking the three angles. What is that? A equal to B is equal to C. It is easy to verify. So that's why I am taking this angle. Okay. So I will substitute this angle in the question. What happens? So see this one, students. So that implies that is equal to what happens? Cos 180 degrees plus cos 180 degrees plus cos 180 plus 4 sin 90 sin 90 degrees. So what happens here? Cos 180. What is the cos 180? Cos 180 value is minus 1. Cos 180 value is minus 1. Cos 180 value is minus 1 plus 4 into sin 91, sin 91, sin 91. So what happens, students? This is the minus 3 plus 4. So the answer is 1. The answer is 1. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the next question, question number 8. So what is the question number 8 is? So see that question, students. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Then what is the question is? Cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is equal to, this is the question actually. So I don't do the transformation directly, students. So see this one by verification, and also I will do that. So that's why I am taking the options also. What is the options are? So check the options. So what is the options are? 1 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. 1 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. And the second option is 1 plus 2 sin A sin B sin C, 2 sin A sin B sin C, and the third option is 1 minus 2 cos A cos B cos C, 1 minus 2 cos A cos B cos C, and the fourth option is 1 minus 2 sin A sin B sin C. So here, so see this one, A plus B plus C is a 180. I am already told that one by our convenience. What I will take that? I will take that A is equal to B is equal to C. A is equal to B is equal to C, meaning is it will become 3A. 3A is equal to 180, meaning is A will become 60. So I will take that A is equal to 60 degrees. Are you understand that? So A is equal to B is equal to C is the 60. Then substitute in the problem. What happens? It will become that cos square 60 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees. So cos 60, what is the cos 60 value? Cos 60 value is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. So it will become that 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It will become that 3 by 4. It will become 3 by 4. So this angle I will substitute in the given options. Okay. So take the first option, students. What is that? So that is equal to 1 plus 2 into cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Why? Because cos 60, cos 60, cos 60. So what happens? These values will be cancelled. It will become that 1 plus 1 by 4. It will become that 5 by 4. So it is not the answer. So see the second one, this value. So what I will do that one here, students, 1 plus 1 plus 2 into sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So what happens? 2 will be cancelled. It will become that 1 plus root 3 into root 3 is a 3 root 3 by 4. 1 plus 3 root 3 by 4. So see the next one. So it is not the option, students. So next, see the next one. 1 minus 2 into cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So it will become that 1 minus 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4. So it will become that, take the LCM, it will become that 3 by 4. Maybe it is the answer. Okay. So check the fourth option also. Then we can give the conclusion. Okay. So substitute in the fourth option. What is that? 1 minus 2 into sine 60. Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. It will become that 1 minus 3 root 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 root 3 by 4. So that is not the answer. So what we can conclude, that what is the final answer, students? So the answer is nothing but option 3 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. Okay. Are you understand that, students? And also this problem we can do in the expansion by using the transformation formulas also. Okay. So see that one, how to do that question. Okay. So see that carefully. I will do that the second method also. So it is lengthy. So but see that one here, students. So a plus b plus c is equal to 180. So they are asking that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is equal to. So that is equal to, how can you take this? Cos square a plus, this is cos square b, I will change 1 minus sine square b plus cos square c, and 1 plus cos square a minus sine square b plus cos square c. So this cos square b I am written 1 minus sine square b, and I am written 1 in the front. Cos square a minus sine square b. Cos square a minus sine square b. What is the formula, students? 1 plus cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b plus cos c. So that is equal to 1 plus cos of a plus b. See, students, cos of a plus b, what is the meaning is, so cos of a plus b plus c is 180. So a plus b can be written as 180 minus c. It will become minus cos c. I will written directly. What is the cos of a plus b formula? Cos of a plus b is nothing but a plus b plus c 180. So it will become minus cos c. So in the place of a plus b, I will written that directly. So that is nothing but minus cos c into cos of a minus b plus cos c. So cos square, not that cos c, it is a cos square c. So that is 1 minus, I will take that cos c common. So what is the value is remaining is cos of a minus b minus cos c. Why? Because I am already taken the minus common. If you can multiply inside, you will get the same. Okay. So that is equal to 1 minus cos c into cos of a minus b minus, already I am told that minus cos c is nothing but cos of a plus b, minus cos c is nothing but cos of a plus b. I will remain the same. So that is equal to 1 minus cos c into, what is this formula, students? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is 2 cos a cos B, 2 cos A, cos B. So then that implies 1 minus 2 cos A, cos B, cos C. So that is the, so you can verify this one. So if you know the formulas very well, you can use that form also. Or understand that? So you can use this form or that type of also. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the question number 9. So see the question number 9, students. So what is that? A plus B plus C is a 180. So you can check that condition, students. A plus B plus C is a 180. So take that A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. Then substitute in the given problem and substitute in the options also. Okay. So try the question number 9. So see the question number 10. So see the question number 10. It is also same question. So what they are given that A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Then they are asking sine square A by 2 plus sine square B by 2 plus sine square C by 2. So what is the options are? I will verify the options, students. So see the options also. So what is the first option is 1 plus 2 sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C by 2, and the second option is 1 plus 2 into cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. So see the third one. 1 minus 2 into sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C by 2. And see the fourth option also. What is the fourth one is 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. So see that one, students. So we will verify the answer here once again. So what is the condition? I am told that we have to take A is equal to B is equal to C. So what I will take that, put A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. So then what happens? Put A equal to B equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. Substitute this value here. A is a 60, then A by 2 is a 30. Yes or no? A by 2 is 30 degrees. So sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. So that is nothing but 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So the answer is 3 by 4. The answer is 3 by 4. We will verify this in the options. So see that one. 1 plus 2 into sine 30, sine 30, sine 30. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So cancel that value, students. So it will become that 1 plus 1 by 4. It is 5 by 4. So the answer is 3 by 4. So it is not the option. So see the next. This value. 1 plus 2 into cos 30, cos 30, cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So what happens? 2 will be cancelled. It will become that 1 plus root 3 into root 3. It will become 3 root 3 by 4. 1 plus 3 root 3 by 4. So it is not the option, students. So see the next one is that is equal to 1 minus 2 into sine 30, sine 30, sine 30. That is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. It will become that 1 minus 1 by 4. It will become 3 by 4. Maybe it is the answer. Okay. So check the next one also, then we can conclude the answer. So substitute this value here. 1 minus 2 into cos A by 2. So 2 into cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So what is that? 2 will be cancelled, students. It will become that 1 minus 1 minus 3 root 3 by 4. So it is not the answer. So what is the answer, students? So therefore we can conclude that therefore the answer is nothing but option 3 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. Okay. So see that question, students. Question number 11. So what is the question number 11? So see that question, students. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to 0 degrees. Then what is the condition is sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C is equal to. So this is the condition they are asking, students. So and also I will take the options also for this one. So what is the options? I will take that option 1. What is the option 1 is 2 sin A by 2, sin B by 2 and sin C by 2. So see the second option. What is the second option is minus 2 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Similarly, third option, what is that? 4 into sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. So see the fourth option. What is the fourth option, students? So minus 4 sin A by 2, minus 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. So see that question, students. So A plus B plus C is a 0 degrees. So they are asking this question. So here we have to substitute the angles. The sum of the angles is 0. So what I will take that? Put A is equal to B is equal to 60 degrees. Then and C is equal to minus 120 degrees. A plus B plus C is a 0 degrees. Yes or no? A is equal to B is the 120. C value is minus 120. Automatically the sum of the angles will become the 0. Are you understand that? So by our convenience, we have to select the angle. Okay. So here I am taking these angles. I will substitute here and I will substitute these values here also. Okay. So see this one, sin A plus sin B plus sin C. So that is the sin 60 plus sin 60 degrees plus sin of minus 120 degrees. So that is nothing but sin 60 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 120 value is root 3 by 2, but minus is there. So it will become that minus root 3 by 2. Why? Because sin of minus theta is a minus sin theta. Sin 120 value is root 3 by 2. So what happens here? Root 3 by 2 and root 3 by 2 will be cancelled. It will become that root 3 by 2. Okay. So substitute these values here carefully. Okay. So see that one first. 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin minus 120 by 2 is a minus 60. So minus sin 60 is nothing but minus root 3 by 2. So see that carefully. So 2 will be cancelled, students. It will become that minus root 3 by 4. But answer is root 3 by 2. So it is not the option. So see the next one. minus 2 into sin of A by 2. A by 2 value is nothing but sin 30. Sin 30 is nothing but sin 30 value is nothing but a 1 by 2. Sin 30 value is a 1 by 2. And sin C by 2 is nothing but a minus root 3 by 2. So minus of minus plus, it will become that root 3 by 4. So 2 will be cancelled. Okay. So root 3 by 4. So it is not the option. So next go for this. So what is this? 4 into, so same 1 by 2 into minus root 3 by 2. So what happens? 4 will be cancelled. So it will become that minus root 3 by 2. So but answer is a plus root 3 by 2. Okay. So see the next. So this is nothing but a minus 4 into sin A by 2 is nothing but a 1 by 2 into this value is also 1 by 2. This value is a minus root 3 by 2. So what happens? 4 will be cancelled. Minus of minus, it will become plus. It will become root 3 by 2. So what is the answer, students? This is the answer. So therefore, what we can take that? Therefore, answer is nothing but option 4 is the answer. Option 4 is the answer. Okay. So see that question, students.